This is the Linco Video Photo Studio Lighting Kit. Right off the bat, this box is huge. Let's see what Amazon gave us. A box within a box. Here's the box. There's the other box. Gotta bust out the scissors for this. First, out of the box, you're gonna see the white background, holes for the background, clamps, hooks, clips, tripods, 2, 3, 4 tripods. There's a lot to unbox here. Umbrella, light bulbs, more light bulbs. I'm assuming those are all light bulbs. Lighting tripod. Another umbrella. More umbrellas. Travel bag. Tripod. Black background. Green screen. An umbrella. Instructions. Not supposed to open this in the house. Sorry, Mom. Linco. Umbrella number 2. Holy moly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th tripod. Tripod number 6. 4 lamps. Linco lamp number 4. Clamps for the backdrop. Clamps for the backdrop. Hello, I'm gonna hold the backdrop. Okay, me too. I got all the tripods out. They're all lined up right here, ready to build. Following the instructions, we got the crossbar up behind me. Very well made fabric. Can't see through it, so that's great. Looks like I'm gonna have to iron it. Umbrellas place themselves directly into the lamp. And what's really cool is that it's got this little spring right here so that it controls how far that you want to put it in or out. Box lamps. You want to pull it out gently because it does come with a cover. Your lamp is going to go right through that little hole right there, and then this is going to rig itself back onto that hole. Then you've got your soft cover. Let's put the diffuser on. Perfect, beautiful, one-stop shop. I'm gonna put the rest of this together. Now we got the backdrop stand built and put together. Super easy. It just connected here and here to the top. These parts unscrew and you can adjust it higher. And from on top, this is where you're going to clip on the colored screen that you want. Now this is the setup. You've got the lights there, the camera there, the other 2 umbrella lights there, and the background rig. I do need to get, obviously, the background behind me. I need some bigger clamps. These, I don't know why they said these don't go all the way around the tube to clamp, so I gotta go get some bigger ones. The new clips came in. I don't know why they sent us the teeny tiny ones, but these are gonna work a lot better. These are gonna clip onto the backdrop and we're gonna put it all the way around. They have Velcro adhesion so they can adhere to the poles, and they have a tightening rod that will allow us to tighten or loosen the depth of how deep we want this to hang from the backdrop. It came with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. With proper clips, we can now clip up the backdrop. And now I'm gonna use a hand steamer to give it that professional look and appearance. It's gonna be beautiful when we're done. And there you have it, the Linco lighting kit. You've got our lights up, our backdrop, it looks beautiful. It's gonna add that much needed touch to make you look professional from here on out. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button below to see all of the equipment that I used for this video. It is added to the description. As always, we did it in 7 minutes or less. I'm Nick, I'll see you next time.